Learning how to learn is a valuable skill that can help you acquire new knowledge and skills more efficiently and effectively. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. My name is Mazi Ezike Chinedu. Anyone can master any subject by applying good study techniques. Okay? So, you don't have to be gifted or have natural abilities in a particular subject in order to excel at it. Chinedu failed maths in high school, but later overcame his fear of numbers and eventually earned a doctorate degree in engineering. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, in this guide, I will briefly explain some study tactics that you can use to excel in whatever you are learning. So, after this course, or should I say, after going through this guide, you should be able to think about and understand personal ways of learning. Apply the ideas in this course or guide to existing learning experiences, and then finally learn reflectively. So guys, here are some key principles and strategies for effective learning. Alright, so guys, first things first, you're going to start by understanding your learning style. Set your goals. Engage in active learning. Apply some spacing and repetition techniques. Use mnemonics. Carry out chunking. Note taking. Practice and application. Feedback and assessment. Use of multiple resources. Teaching others. Staying organized. Mindfulness and health. Technology and tools. Practicing continuous learning. Adapt and experiment. Stay curious. And finally, avoid procrastination. And that's that, guys. Learning how to learn, just like we said earlier, is a valuable skill that can help you acquire new knowledge and skills more efficiently and effectively. Okay? So, learning how to learn is a process we all engage in throughout our lives. But hey guys, no single method of learning guarantees success. So, this free course, or should I say, this free guide, Learning How to Learn, aims to make the process of learning much more explicit by inviting you to apply various ideas and activities to your own study as a way of increasing your awareness of your own learning. Most learning has to be an active process, and this is particularly true of learning how to learn. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, first things first, we are going to start by understanding your learning style. Okay? So, at this stage, it is important to understand that people have different learning styles, yet anyone can master any subject by applying good study techniques. Techniques including visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. So, knowing your preferred style can help you tailor your learning method to suit your needs. Okay? And that's fine, guys. Now, the next principle or strategy for effective learning is setting clear goals. Okay? This means defining what you want to learn and why you want to learn it. Having a clear objectives will keep you motivated and focused. And that's fine, guys. Now, the next in line is active learning. This means that you should be actively engaged with the materials rather than passively consuming it. Okay? This can involve asking questions, discussing concepts, or teaching others what you have learned. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is spacing and repetition. Spacing out your learning sessions over time can enhance memory retention. Okay? So it's important that you review materials periodically rather than cramming. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is using mnemonics. Okay? This includes memory aids like acronyms, rhymes, or mental association that can help you to remember information more effectively. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is chunking. Okay? So, guys, it's important that you break down complex information into smaller, manageable chunks. Okay? This makes it more easier to understand and remember. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is note taking. Okay? This means that taking notes during lectures or while reading can help you organize information and then retain that information in a better way. Okay? So, try different note taking methods in order to find what works best for you. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is practice and application. At this stage, it is important that you apply what you have learned in real world situations or through problem solving exercises. Okay? So, practice is crucial for deepening your understanding. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is feedback and assessment. So, at this stage, it is important that you regularly assess your understanding and seek feedback from others. Okay? This can help you identify areas where you need improvements. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next important tip to consider is using multiple resources. Okay? So, guys, don't rely on a single source of information. Diversify your learning materials to gain different perspectives and insights. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Alright? Now, the next in line is teaching others. Okay? Teaching a concept to someone else can deepen your own understanding and then help you to identify gaps in your knowledge. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is staying organized. So, at this stage, it is important to keep your learning materials, notes, and resources well organized. Okay? So that you can easily access them when needed. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is mindfulness and health. Okay? So, guys, at this stage, it is important that you ensure that you are well rested, nourished, and mentally prepared for learning. Mindfulness practices and stress management can also enhance your learning ability. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is technology and tools. All right, so guys, it is important to utilize technology and learning tools such as educational apps, online courses, and note-taking softwares in order to support your learning process. Okay, it is going to be very nice for you to utilize technology and learning tools. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is continuous learning. Okay, practicing continuous learning is a very important thing, guys. Okay, make learning a lifelong habit for you guys. Okay, the more you practice learning, the better you become at it over time. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is adapt and experiment. Okay, so guys, be open to adjusting your learning strategies as needed. Okay, what works for one subject or situation may not work for another. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is staying curious. Okay, so guys, maintain a curious mindset. Okay, ask questions and seek to understand deeply. All right, curiosity can be a powerful motivator for learning. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, the last important tip to take note of is avoiding procrastination. Okay, so guys, procrastination can hinder your learning process. Okay, so it is important that you use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused and productive. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Now, remember this, guys. Remember that learning is a skill in itself, and it can be improved with practice and self-awareness. Okay, so what works best for you may vary depending on the subject matter, your personal preferences, and your goals. Okay, so be open to experimenting with different techniques in order to discover what suits you best. Thanks for watching, guys. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and if you like this content, do well to leave a comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys. Stay blessed.